Hey guys, welcome back to Simplified Mechanic. Today's video is how to change your oil. So if you want to learn how to change your oil, save you money, take you about 10 minutes, stay tuned and I'll show you how. We got a 2007 Cadillac Escalade, but the steps are the same for all vehicles. First thing you want to do is pop that hood latch. Bow! Alright, we're going to walk around to the front of the hood. We're going to pop the hood. There's a secondary latch. All you do is you're gonna push it to the left or to the right. See it right there. Just push that to the left or the right. It'll pop your hood. Now we're gonna jack this bad boy up. Get you a jack. Put it on the subframe or anything hard under there. Jack it up high enough that you can fit under there comfortably. If you're a big dude like me, I'm about 280 pounds, you got to get that bad boy way up there. So you'll see me, I'll be jacking it up for a minute. Once you get it up, you're going to go ahead and slide that jack stand under it. You don't want that car falling on you and smashing your ass. So go ahead, get under there, find a good place for that jack stand. Alright, now we're under here. Let's go ahead and get you a 14mm socket. You got to put it on that oil pan bolt. Lefty-loosey. Let's break that thing loose. Bow! There we go. Now that you got it loose, go ahead and use your hand. You can take it off by turning your hand. Once you get it to the end, pull it real fast so you don't get oil on yourself. Just like that. Now it'll take about 5 minutes to drain out. So once it gets all drained out, you go ahead and put that oil bolt back in. Tighten that hand tight. Once it's tight enough, you can go ahead and get your 14mm socket. Put it back on there. Righty-tighty this time. Go ahead and tighten it down. Make sure it's snug. Now that's finished. We're going to go ahead and start on our oil filter. We're going to get our oil filter wrench that we picked up. I'll have all the tools down in the description so you guys can pick them up. I'm going to put it on the oil filter, lefty-loosey. We're just going to do it enough to break it loose. Once it starts turning, you can go ahead and turn the rest of the way off with your hand. Go ahead and grab your bucket. You don't want to make a mess. As you can see, I made a mess anyway. Alright, get your new oil filter. Fill it up with oil. Then you're going to rub a little bit of oil around the edge to lubricate the seal. We're going to go ahead and put the oil filter back in. Righty-tighty. You just spin it with your hand. We're not going to use the tool this time. We're just going to keep using our hand. We're going to snug it up nice and tight. Now that's done. We're going to go ahead and put the oil in the car. This is a 2007 Cadillac Escalade, so we use 6 quarts. Check your owner's manual for yours. Go ahead and put your oil cap back on. Now inside this Cadillac Escalade, it has an oil life, and it's on 39%. We're going to reset it to 100%. So if you got a Cadillac Escalade, you're going to circle through till it comes back up to the oil life, which it'll show 39%. Now you're going to hold this check mark at the bottom button. Hold that in for 5 seconds, and that'll reset it back to 100%. Alright guys, thanks for watching this last video. Please like, subscribe. Also leave a comment. Let me know if you liked the video. If you didn't, let me know what videos you'd like to see. Also let me know what tool I should give away for my first tool giveaway. Alright gents. Semper Fi till next time.